So if you want to make some trap for birds, you need some old wood or boards like this from the old pallets. Then you need saw and some tools. So I prepared here some scissors and also some drill machine, and also what you need is net. Also what you need is net. And now I can measure the wood and make a construction. So I'm going on it. Okay, so right now I made some construction. Everything is from the old wood. It's very easy, as you can see. It's very easy construction, and right now I starting with the net. So I would like to make this net here and this here down. So I will take some screw and will make this and this side, then this side, and at the end I will working on this entry side. So this will be back. So let's do it together. Okay, keep verifying. Okay, so right now I have here the wire, and I used old aluminium profile and used the drilling machine and drill some hole here. And as you can see, I give here the wood, and here is some profile. I think this 2 centimeter, and I am making the hook right here, and then input this wire through this, like this, and you can see when brought in entry the gate. So you go here, and this return back, and when he won't return back, it's not possible. So I have to make these wires at the end of this gate. So it is very easy and very practical. So I take now this wire, and I have to measure it. So I have here something about 41 centimeter. So I have to take this measure and measure this. So first I make a hook. Like this, and now I need 41 centimeters. It's somewhere here. I take a bit more, and then I can short. So something like this. Okay. So something like this. I know I can try it. It's a little more, and now I can make like this more. Oh, so this one. Okay. with two more. Like this. And now I can make it shorter around this. So somewhere here. Okay, can try it. Super, this is very nice and can continue. So first hook. Okay, can be like this. And now the measure. Over here. Okay, can trying. Super, and I can continue again and again. So you can see that this is more of this collection, and I need next one here, 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 here. So a lot of, but outside is not possible to go. So I am continue in working of this gate for trap for birds. So right now I'm working on the back sides. So I have here the drill and okay. Okay, so we have this side. This side is okay. Top of the trap is okay. This side is okay. And what the left is just this. I need net here. So I finished this one. So input inside and don't going back. Okay, I prepare also these sides, and now just I need to use the screw. Okay, so we have the final. So it looks like this. So this is working correctly. This side is from the wood. Net. Also net. Here also the net. Maybe here we need a little stronger. And also this side is still not very well.